Well, hello everybody. I'm gonna do a little bit of promo for my wife Beth YouTube channel, Philippine Expat Country Living, and that because if you're interested in flowers and landscaping, wow, yeah, you've got to watch. You got to watch the videos on her YouTube channel. She planted this, let's see, about maybe 2 months ago, and just look at how it's taking off, and especially the orchids, if you can see that. I'm going to get around the other side here. The orchids are just, wow, pretty incredible. And she uses whatever's available here. You can see tires down there that she used and planted in. And that, and of course wood cuttings from whatever here. And that always when we trim our trees. But you've got to see this orchid right here. Hopefully I can hold the camera still enough. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Very few like that. And the stem that comes out of, and that, yeah, it is, what should I say, part of the Philippine culture here, that around your house you plant flowers, and especially everybody's got an orchid patch and that. So they're pretty professional at being able to do this. And one reason, like I said, wow, here, so look at this. I like promoting her channel is the fact that she is so good at what she does, and that, and especially when it comes to ideas for landscaping, as anybody's noticed watching her videos, and the garden. And here again, look at this. Incredible. Very, very beautiful. Another one. And this basically, like I said, was about 2 months ago. And she did all this within, I think, a day's time or so. She probably had help from Doro, because she usually does. But yeah, very good. And that. And you can always tell this whole center island here was her creation, and now after oh boy, a bunch of years here, yeah, you can hear all the dogs barking. Yeah, Andor just came back from Taliban on a tricycle, so as you might guess, they're all greeting him there, so. But Beth has always been so good at the flowers part of it, which I know nothing about. You know, I'm a gardener and that, but she has done such an excellent job. And everybody comments when they come up the driveway here about how nice that she has it laid out. And like I said, what an exceptional job. And that, and of course after a few years, when the growth comes up on everything, like even here with our hedges, all at once you've got a whole hedge shield here for our driveway. Everything starts with a few small steps, doing some planting and that, doing some trimming, and yes, it's labor intensive and that, but in the end, when you reach the point that the driveway is at right now, yeah, you can be so proud of what you've done and your accomplishment in being able to carry this out and have the flowers grow, have the plants grow, and of course there you see Lithos following me again, as she normally does when I walk down the road here. Yeah, very nice. And many of these plants right there is where we took basically in order to plant by the highway there. And it starts out and it looks kind of rough when you initially plant it, but then as time goes by, wow, as you can see as I pan through here and of course back up our driveway, it's hard to realize that this was completely bare field 6 years ago and going on 7 years, and that this was just bare ground here. It's really something to look at some of the pictures, and hopefully one of these days, if I get a lot of time, I want to take a picture, the pictures that we took back then, and then put a recent picture side by side and run a collage through Movie Maker or something like that in order to be able to show you what a difference that a few short years make. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Again, visit her website and her YouTube channel, Philippine Expat Country Living. Like and subscribe, and especially if you're interested in the cooking, the flowers, the landscaping and that, yeah, you'll definitely enjoy it. Thank you much, and like and subscribe here, and we'll let you go for the day, and of course we'll be back again soon.